Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me for our second core value, which is our growth mindset, personal mastery core value. So at iGen Entrepreneur, we do run a very broad agenda, and we exist to fan the flame of business and personal development. Ultimately, we walk the walk, talk the talk, but we practice what we preach. So what we expect of our clients, we do. We value health, wealth, and relationships, and we balance ourselves through continued commitment to our growth mindset. We set goals in the various areas of life, and we discuss them frequently. And by doing this, we support each other in our continued journey to master these areas. And even at times when we feel the constraints of the business, we prioritize our physical and mental health and our relationships. We understand the best way for us to show up for our clients and in the business is to show up in our personal life. And most, very importantly, valuable output is the greatest measure, not hours put in. Anyone can be busy, but that does not equate to productivity. How we do one thing is how we do everything. So in terms of this, how we do one thing is how we do everything. So this does lead into another core value of systems mindset. However, we are able to deliver to our clients because we practice what we preach. We have goals, agendas for not just the businesses that we're involved with, but also our personal life as well. So the best way for us to show up in one area is to show up in others. So yeah, we have a weekly alignment meeting. We talk openly about our personal goals as well as our business goals, and we encourage each other to discuss that. And we support each other, feedback, and we deliver that for our clients as well. So the final thing, valuable output is the greatest measure, not hours put in. Yes, if we're talking about Amazon, you can spend all day on Amazon, and yes, you will get to a certain point. However, with another core focus, another core value that we have is our systems mindset. So rather than working all the hours that we have, we put in work around implementing systems that pay dividends for months, years to come. So that's our second core value. We're constantly looking at new things that will improve both our personal and our business lives. And with what we're currently doing at iGen Entrepreneur, we weren't happy simply being in the Amazon space. We're now moving into NFTs and into blockchain. So we are working in alignment with this core value. So we wouldn't have been able to identify that without this core value of growth mindset and looking for new opportunities, personal mastery. It's a massive value that we all share. Myself, Luke, Eamon, Lara, and Liam all share this growth mindset. And yeah, that's core value number 2. So see you in the next one. Speak to you soon.